Agriculture in India. Types of farming. Agriculture is an age old economic activity in our country. Over the years, cultivation methods have changed significantly. Depending upon the characteristics of physical environment, technological know how, and socio cultural practices. At present, the following farming systems are practiced in different parts of India. Subsistence farming. This type of farming is alone in two forms. They are simple subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. First, simple subsistence farming. Agriculture is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dough, and digging sticks through family community labor. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil, and suitability of other environmental conditions to the crops grown. It is a slash and burn method of agriculture. Shifting agriculture. Second, intensive subsistence farming. It is practiced in areas with high population density and land. It is labor intensive farming, where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Commercial farming. The main characteristic of this type of farming is the use of higher doses of modern inputs. For example, high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. The degree of commercialization of agriculture varies from one region to another. For example, rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but in Odisha it is a subsistence crop. Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are important plantation crops. Cropping seasons. Agricultural crops depend on seasons and natural resources such as soil, water, and sunshine for cultivation. Temperature and humidity conditions are important. Some crops can be cultivated only in specific seasons, regardless of the availability of water and other inputs. Therefore, in any region, different crops are grown in different seasons. India has three cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. Rabi crops are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, and mustard. Availability of precipitation during winter months due to the western temperature cyclones helps in the success of these crops. However, the success of the Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of the above mentioned Rabi crops. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of the country, and these are harvested in September October. Important crops grown during this season are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, red gram, green gram, black gram, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut, and soybean. In between Rabi and Kharif seasons, there is a short season during the summer months known as the Jayad season. Some of the crops produced during Zayad are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crops. Major crops. A variety of food and non food crops are grown in different parts of the country depending upon the variations in soil, climate, and cultivation practices. Major crops are grown in India are paddy, wheat, millets, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oil seeds, cotton, and jute, etc. Paddy. It is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of paddy in the world after China. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature, about 25 degrees Celsius, and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. In areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. Paddy is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas, and the deltoic regions. Development of dense networks and canal irrigation and tube wells has made it possible to grow rice even in areas with less rainfall, such as Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. Wheat. This is the second most important cereal crop. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. This rabi crop requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season. There are two important wheat growing zones in the country, the Ganga Satluj Plains in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Maize. It is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvial soil. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season also. Use of modern inputs such as high yielding variety seeds, fertilizers, and irrigations have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Millets. Jawar, Bajra, and Ragi are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as coarse grains, they have very high nutritional value. For example, ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients, and roughage. Jawar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas which hardly needs irrigation. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jawar, followed by Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra grows well on sandy soil and shallow block soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Ragi is a crop of dry regions and grows well on red block, sandy, loamy, and shallow block soils. Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi, followed by Tamil Nadu. Pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. These are the main source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses that are grown in India are red gram, black gram, green gram, masoor, peas, and Bengal gram. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. Being a leguminous crops, all these crops except arhar help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Therefore, these are mostly grown in rotation with other crops. Major pulse producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. High yielding varieties. High yielding varieties of seeds and fertilizers are the key elements of new agriculture technologies. The high yielding variety seeds grow well when fertilizers and water are used. They have larger amounts of grain and shorter stalks and a short period maturity in most cases. The short period maturity also enables double cropping. Farmers can use their lands more than once in a year. This policy was initially implemented in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, and in some districts of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The high yielding variety seeds require a lot of water and these areas are already irrigated. The new variety of wheat is grown in Punjab, Haryana, and Western Uttar Pradesh, while rice is grown in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu.